Alright, this is King on our truck and trailer. We got a vehicle running. There was no start, no power. There was no power anywhere. Got to replace the batteries. And after we replaced the batteries, there was no power in the cab. Nothing would come on except for the headlights. So now we got power, everything's on. The engine diag said it was low voltage disconnect, and could have been because the batteries were bad. They got in here, started checking stuff out, and they were in there in the fuse relay box, and they had the ignition key fuse in the wrong spot. They pulled all the fuses and relays out and started checking them visually instead of using a test light. Don't ever pull all the fuses and relays out, because you will not get them all back in the same spot. So this is $1,000 repair, all because the fuse was in the wrong spot.